Hi guys, here we are at Six Forks Farm. Really exciting evening here for us because we're having our first farm tour. Now I know that we had the big community farm tour here that was here a few months ago, but this is our first official farm tour where people came, paid money to be here and to allow us to share our lives with them, tell them about our farm, regenerative farming, what we do here, why we do the things that we do, differences between meat birds and laying hens, and why they're on the pasture, and why we have all the ruminants together, and how they're grazing in the field and why. And we're going to share a little bit of this with you today, so hopefully you'll get a glimpse into our farm as well.
So we came out and we started planning the bed and breakfast, and he wanted to have a cooking studio. And so we thought, well, we have the land and we're going to need to supply some eggs and, you know, sausage for the guests. And so we need a little farm. So I'm a big fan of Wendell Berry. And so I came across this man, and he had used some of his beautiful words, and he was a farmer. And they called him the lunatic farmer. And so I liked him already. And so I said to John, if we're going to farm, this is the way we need to do it. But we'll start here with the beginning, and Grayson will go through, if you will, and explain what his beautiful drawings are.
I did my handwriting. So I heard some of us know regenerative agriculture, some of us don't. Graze it off. So for this plant to be able to grow more, it needs to sacrifice its roots. Yeah.
So once you get that,
one thing that I learned that I think fascinating, it's so right, is that ruminant animals have no top teeth. They only have bottom teeth. And the way they graze doesn't pull up from the roots. It trims. So they take their tongue and they wrap it around the grass and they pull it. And that's how they graze. And like out of the shell till on your plate, 8 weeks. And so they just massive eat. And do you see how thick their legs are? And we have these chicken tractors. The chicken tractor is the one that's propped up, and the short spot one. And so we brooded them sheep to really clean up the rest. And the system was just not working for us here. And so we've kind of modified the system. And then in the daytime we pop it open and they just forage. And we do feed them. I highly recommend them. They are, they're really guard beef. They're to guard the chickens. They're still young and they've just come into their feathers. So we put the chickens, we had chickens at the barn that were just kind of hanging out, they foraged around, but we brought them down and put them in, and they eliminated the bed problem.